Okay, continue. Okay, you see the note here, teacher giving you the step here. Salin semua amount dari soalan penyata kedudukan kewangan ke dalam barisan baki BB. So you must add on one, that one is calling baki BB column. So copy from all the figure from the soalan PKK. So PKK stand for penyata kedudukan kewangan. So you see, teacher here don't have the penyata kedudukan kewangan. So this one is same as the penyata kedudukan kewangan. As long as either you copy from the penyata kedudukan kewangan or you copy from the baki asset dan liability. Okay, don't only listening my class, please write down and write down some note. Can? Okay, so next continue. After that you write down here baki BB, then perabot 4008, then you just copy and paste on 4008. Inventory 2001, right down here. Account belum terima 5004. Bank 3810. Okay, so ABT 1810. So you write down here ABT 1810. All clear? So this one is your first step. Okay, first step. So after you complete first step, you see column baki BB modal mesti ada amount. So you check your answer here. Column baki BB, this one is baki BB lah. Okay, and then modal column here, you must got the amount here. Okay, modal and then baki BB, you must got the amount, mesti ada amount. So here already mentioned. And then kadang-kala ada diberi dalam soalan. So you see soalan ada mention here, modal berapanya? Tak ada man, right? So how? Jika soalan tidak beri, sila gunakan formula persamaan perakaunan. Maksudnya this one, asset tanpa liability, asset equals to liability plus equity per milik. So you take your, what come this one? Wow. How come my this one like this? Wait. Bank equals to 3810. Okay, so for this one, how to find this modal? So you still remember what you learned last week. So that one is your persamaan perakaunan, asset equals to liability plus equity per milik. Okay. So you see your asset, which one is asset? So you see this one, all below here, they are asset. So all the asset, then you add on, okay, like the mathematics, okay? So you write down here, asset then equals to 4008 plus 2001 plus 5004 plus 3810. So now is the third class. You have to know what is asset already. For memorizing part, then teacher can't help you, okay, because we are only 1 hour. Either like 2 hours, 3 hours, teacher also prefer discuss more case study, more question rather than like Q&A asking you one by one like that. Okay. So after that equals to liability. Which one is liability? So which one is liability? For highlight here, this one all are equity per milik. Okay, equity per milik. Okay. So this one equity per milik. Then you see this one is a liability 1810. Then you tambah 1810 plus equity per milik. So this all is equity per milik, right? So equity per milik, which is, so I put it here. I show you the, I think you all forgot already, right? Wait me a while. That one the persamaan perakaunan. Here. This one we call persamaan perakaunan. So asset equals to liability plus equity per milik, or and then more expense plus modal plus untung bersih or minus rugi bersih, and then plus hasil minus belanja. Okay. So you see this one equity per milik. So you know that this one then 1810 is liability. So equity per milik, you see all here don't have. So you go to find your modal. Untung bersih 0, ambulan 0. So you go to find your modal. Okay. So this one is equity per milik. Okay, nah? So which is asset equals to liability plus modal plus untung bersih or minus rugi bersih then minus ambulan. Need to minus ambulan. So what I mean is these three items, they are equals to equity per milik. Modal plus untung bersih minus ambulan equals to equity per milik. Okay. So after that, you see here, okay, after that, you see this one. Asset and liability, then we know already, lor. After that, equity per liability, which is 1810, lor. Okay, so modal, how much is it? Modal here, the one we need to find because teacher already mentioned modal must have the figure. So plus untung bersih or minus rugi bersih. So untung bersih here, nothing. So 0 lor. Then plus 0. Minus ambulan, ambulan. So here, ambulan here also nothing. So minus 0. So all you know, like the mathematics, how to find your modal. So can give me your answer. Modal equals to my online student. Is that equals to 14300? Online student? Is that equals to 14300? Fair or not? Offline? Yes or no? Oh, okay. Okay, so then write down here 14300. All clear? Okay. So you see, here teacher already explained to you. For modal you must have the amount. Okay, then buat urus niaga dengan rujuk kata kunci nota cukup, buat kurungan jika tolak. Okay, so amount. Okay, then come back to the soalan here. Urus niaga, this one is urus niaga. Membeli 4 buah meja pejabat 2,800 dengan cek, okay? So check, then regarding the so you see this one, check is regarding the bank. You see everything check, then bank, okay? So you beli. So you beli something, then you bayar check or terima check. Bayar check or terima check. Bayar. So you see here keyword bayar dengan check. So tolak, okay? Tolak how much? 2,800. Then you tolak 2,800 here lor. Oops. Then here you tolak 2,800. Tolak use bracket, but for school they might use this symbol like this, also acceptable, okay? But this one only for these chapters. The rest chapters we put bracket to represent tolak, okay? So and then beli 4 buah meja pejabat. Meja pejabat is under which account? Meja pejabat is under which account? Come. That one is under inventory or perabot? Yes, under perabot. Now you see, the first 2 weeks teacher keep mention and keep revision to you what is perabot, what is kenderaan, right? Okay. So now if you still don't know what is perabot, what is inventory, so please watch back the first and second video. Okay. If not, then you blah 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 blah. Okay, then you can't follow one. Okay, so yes, correct. Major pejabat, this is under perabot. So perabot, you go back to this one. Last week teacher will do the some amended here, right? Alatan kedai, perabot, kenderaan. Okay. So once you beli, then put tanpa. So you tanpa 2008 lor. Tanpa no need mention plus, just like this, positive equals to tanpa. So clear this one? Can okay, online student, any question? So don't keep quiet, okay? So please ask me some question, Okay, number 2. Menerima cek daripada akaun belum terima berjumlah 1960. Highlight menerima cek. Highlight account belum terima. Highlight 1960. You see, check again. So check is regarding the check is bank, right? Yes, very good, online student. So check is bank, okay? So you see, but this one is menerima check. So can see the keyword terima check, then plus. Okay, all these keywords you can't find any words, can't find any keyword from the reference book or the notebook here, your textbook here. Okay, so and then some more in exam didn't show you this formula, this information to you when you are doing this Persamaan Perakaunan. Everything you must memorizing, okay, okay. So plus, we know that one is plus, bank plus. So your bank plus 1960. And then plus 1960, and then ABT, account belum terima. So you see, account belum terima, of course, go to your account belum terima here. So keyword menerima cek daripada account belum terima. So you see, menerima cek daripada account belum terima. So is that same meaning with menjelaskan hutang? Your client menjelaskan hutang? Is that same meaning? Yes, right? So because you menerima cek from your clients, meaning that your client menjelaskan hutang. So if menjelaskan, then tolak. So your APT answer tolak. So tolak 1960. Finish. Going to number 3. Sekeping cek daripada akaun belum terima bernilai 450 tidak dilayan oleh bank. So what is the meaning of tidak dilayan? Check. Tidak dilayan meaning that check rejected from the bank. Okay, rejected check. So maybe your check date wrong already. Now it's 2023, but your customer write down 2022. And then maybe the signature wrong already. Supposedly it's need 2 signature, but just get 1 signature like that. Okay, so jadikan bank reject the check. Okay, so once the bank reject the check, you see bank related to bank. So keyword bank, we refer here bank here. So bank and then check, that one consider check talaku. So you see check talaku at the end, minus, okay? So we need to write down here, minus 410. Yes, very good. Okay, if you get the answer, then you can write down for me. Minus 410, very good. Okay, and then after that, wait, column 2. Okay, wait, let me explain this one first. I don't understand your question. Okay, so here, after that ABT, then you see ABT, why ABT? You see daripada account belum terima. So account belum terima, you see this one. If check talaku, here, check talaku, we must plus check talaku. So here you plus 410 plus 410. So you see, you check, you get the keyword, and then follow my nota here, then you can answer it. Okay, so column 3 and 2, right in column 3 and 2. What does it mean? Here, this one is urus yang ketiga, then you write 3 urus yang ketiga. Okay, can? So for column 3 only, 2 no need. 2 is not regarding the inventory. Only 3 and 4, ABT and bank. Okay. So next, Onjek Yusu mengambil 600 untuk membayar yuran sekolahnya, sekolah anaknya. So keyword, ambil 600. Very good, online student. Okay, so you see, anaknya. Just now teacher already has explained to you, right? Okay, so all the not regard or the personal use. Okay, so all must record under ambulan. Depends lah. Okay, if you got ambulan column, then record ambulan. If no, provide you ambulan column, so then put to the modal. Okay, depends on the soalan. So since our soalan got the ambulan column, then we put ambulan and minus. So minus 600. Here, minus 600. Okay. After that, ambil apa? Here didn't ambil 600. Okay. Untuk membayar yuran sekolah anaknya. Yuran, dan ambil apa? Ambil barang ke? Ambil barang untuk bayar yuran? No, man, right? Of course, ambil wang lah. Okay. So ambil wang here only got the bank column. Don't have the tunai column. So jadi bank. So if you ambil wang, then your bank how? Bertambah atau berkurang? If you ambil. So is that same meaning with the mengeluarkan tunai? Yes, right? So minus. Okay, so your bank here minus 600. Okay, next continue. Menjelaskan hutang sebanyak 800 dengan menggunakan check. So, menjelaskan hutang dengan menggunakan check. Okay, so again, check is regarding bank. Okay, check is regarding bank. Can? Okay, so check is regarding the bank here. So bank, where is bank? So you see this one, membayar check. So you see dengan check, menjelaskan, settle the debt, meaning that bayar dengan check. So minus. Okay, so your bank here minus 800. Okay, so you pay to who? This check you pay to who? Menjelaskan hutang. Remember? Okay, so we continue here. Again, once you found that, okay, menjelaskan hutang. Once you found that, menjelaskan hutang. Okay, so either ABT or ABB. Okay, either ABT or ABB. So ABT or ABB. Please remember. Okay, so then you menjelaskan dengan check, which means you clear the debt. Once you clear the tax, which means account belum bayar. This one equals to supplier. You pay lah. Okay, you pay, you settle the debts. Okay, can? So after that, then once you settle the debts, so you see, account belum bayar. Nah, menjelaskan hutang tanpa tolak. At the end is tolak. So we put it here, tolak. Okay. So tolak 800. Write down here 800. Okay. Next, beli barang niaga secara kredit berjumlah 780 daripada pembekal Chong. So again, beli barang secara kredit 780 daripada pembekal Chong. So beli barang. Which column? Beli barang. Which column? Beli barang. So you see, barang, you see this column? Okay, barang. So inventory. If beli, then tambah. So jadi here we need to put tambah in your inventory. So 780. And then what does it mean? Beli barang secara kredit. Again, secara kredit apa maksudnya? Who can answer my question? Secara kredit apa maksud? Secara kredit apa maksud? Here. Secara hutang. You see again and again every week you will learn ABT, you will learn asset, you will learn ABB, you will learn secara credit. Okay, please make sure today is the third week already. Please make sure you understand already and memorize it. Okay, so secara hutang, yes, okay. So once secara hutang, you see here, beli barang secara kredit. You see keyword. Beli barang secara kredit. So under account belum bayar. Account belum bayar. So we write down here. Tambah 780. Okay. Next, last. Inventory pada cost 1050. So keyword inventory cost 1050 dijual dengan harga 2050 secara tunai tanpa dibankkan. So you see inventory. So of course inventory column, no? And then dijual. So you go to check the keyword inventory. So you see this one inventory, right? So this column inventory. Okay. Dijual, you see, jual barang cost for bracket cost, you see, mentioned already. So minus 1050. Okay. So here you minus 1050. Okay, next continue. Dijual dengan harga 2050 secara tunai tanpa dibankkan. What's the mean? What is the meaning? Which means you receive cash. After that, bankkan. Dibankkan. Cash deposit to the bank. So, where is your 2050? Where is this money? On your hand or in the bank? On your hand or in the bank? Yes, in the bank. Okay, so in the bank, so which means bank column, no? And then you see the here, bank increase or decrease? Masuk mah. So at the end, you masuk tunai ke dalam bank, same meaning lo. Plus lo. Then here, plus 2050. Because you receive 2050 mah. So and then, you take 2050, masukkan ke dalam bank. Jadikan bank increase 2050. Okay? So after that, you imagine this one is your inventory. Okay, this water tumbler. And then this one is 1050. Cost is 1050. And then I sell to you 2050. So teacher get profit or loss. Again, my cost is 1050. Then I sell to you 2050. So teacher get profit or loss. Yes, very good. Profit. So no matter profit or loss, so of course, record to the untung bersih column. Untung bersih column. So if profit, untung plus. If let's say a teacher, the lampiran the school provide the lampiran don't have this column So how Then make your loan record to your modal plus Understand? Okay So next continue here. Your untung bersih. Your untung berapa? 1000, right? Okay. Understand All clear for this one? For those not really understand, firstly, I'm sure you all confused about the ABT, ABB, right? Okay. So today is the third week. Teacher do revision to you. So please make sure you all understand already and memorize it. Okay. So for this all keyword, Maybe some you don't understand. Please, you after this, because our class only 1 hour, actually 1 hour, 2 hour also not enough. So please make sure you do revision at home. Okay, so and memorize it. At least you do 2 times. Actually, it's 3 times is more prefer. Okay, yeah. So because you just got a half an hour, 30 minutes to complete this soalan in the exam. Okay, so after that you all complete already. Going to this one, write down jumlah. Write down jumlah. Okay, can add on the parabola. How much your total parabola here? Add on 4008, 2008 equals to how much? 4008, 2008. 7006, right? Online student, give me your answer. Here got a lot of student here. Why fail student to answer my question? You can give me your answer. You can unmute yourself or you give me your answer in the chat box. Inventory. One 830. Okay. ABT. Three 3850. Okay, bank. Very good. A lot of students answer my question already. How about the rest? I didn't. Your name didn't show on my meeting chat box here. Bank. 3210. Is that correct? Okay. Next modal same law. 14300. Untung bersih 1000. Ambilan negative 600. Account belum bayar 1790. Okay, so all checking. Okay, next continue. You see, asset, you double checking. Asset equals to liability plus equity formula. So you total up this four figure. You total up 1, 2, 3, 4, this 4 figure. How much equals? 1, wait me a while. 16. Okay, so how about this one? Negative then must minus 600. Is that also equals to 16490? Same, right? Okay, if you get here all same, meaning that you did all correct. 99% you did all correct. If you found that, hey, how come different total here? So here, this one total and here total is different. 100% you did wrong already. Okay, so you must know how to do for this one. Again, for your Form 4 first exam, must come up for this topic. Please, no matter you love this topic or not, you must know. Okay, so continue. After you did this one, then they will ask you to do the PKK. They will ask you to do the PKK. Okay, so PKK, teacher show you the PKK format. This one next week we will do for this format, PKK, and we will redo again for the calculation part. Again, if your friends who want to join the class, please make it early because this one is chapter 2. So after chapter 2, teacher will come back to chapter 1. Chapter 1 is just 1 hour plus only, and then complete already because just theory part. So, and then teacher will go into chapter 3. So if chapter 3, you must know the chapter 2 first. If your friends don't know the chapter 2 or you still don't know what is asset, ABS, AS, equity per million, I'm sure chapter 3, you also blur. Okay? Okay, so this one is the PKK format, Penyata Kedudukan Keuangan. Short form teacher will say PKK format. Okay? So, and then pada 31st December 2016. Firstly, you must put the company name and then PKK here. After that, ABS, here only 2 format, 2 calculation. I mean the 2 category. Okay? So, firstly, starting from ABS, going to AS. Okay? So, you see ABS is his long-term asset. So, this one is a contoh lah. Okay, everything put it here and then put the total line, draw the total line and then total up all, and then write down here. Okay, remember put the column RM. Okay, so asset semasa is a short-term hada benda, short-term asset. So this one is a sum information, some example. So put the first column, okay, all figure put to the first column and then equal total. The total put the last column. Okay. So after that, continue is equity. The right side we call credit side. Okay. In account, we don't call left, right. Okay. Again, in account we don't call left and right. Okay. Sebelah kiri we call debit side. Sebelah kanan we call credit side. Okay. This one is the perkataan accounting. Okay. So next continue. We got the equity per milik, liability semasa, and liability semasa. Okay, starting from equity per milik. Modal tanpa untung bersih or rugi bersih. Then you get the latest figure minus your ambulan bracket, get the latest figure. LBS, what else? Pinjaman. So put it here. LS, ABB, account belum bayar. Put it here. Okay. So you see, 2 weeks already, you must know upper account di bawah ABS, upper account di bawah AS, upper account di bawah LS. Otherwise, every week you blur. And tak faham. I don't understand what does teacher teach. Okay. So at the end, continue. So here, this one plus this one plus this one. Then put to the total box here. Then after that, write down your total figure. After that, for the credit side, which means the right side here, these 3 figure tanpa sekali. So put to the total box. Okay. So sebelah debit and sebelah credit must be same figure. Otherwise, you can't get you did wrong in the question. Okay. You did wrong. Actually, this one for the credit side here. So mostly is 1 column RM. Some got the 2 column RM. Okay. So 2 column RM meaning that your LS got 1 more putiran. So which is your bank, put it here. Okay. So bank can be asset semasa. Bank can under liability semasa. So still remember the first 2 classes teacher teach you. So if your bank got money, asset semasa. If your bank negative, then overdraft LS. Okay. So you may try to challenge to do your soalan based on just now. If you want to challenge, okay. So you refer this one and then all this figure copy from the jumlah here. Take the jumlah here. Jumlah here.